welcome back. I'm here today because I got my premium box and I'm excited to share what's in it with you. So let's get going. So the first item is this Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream Peptide. Let's see, what is this about? Because I really had to look some of this stuff up. Night cream with a complex blend of peptides, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. Oh, holy shit, it's $125? Oh my god, I didn't know that. This is it. I've actually tried this for you guys. Right here, I used it a couple times. For about 2 days I've been using it, and I really like it. I don't know if it does anything about fine lines and wrinkles or anything. I haven't been using it that long, but it does moisturize my skin. And if you've been watching my channel, you know I'm drier than the Sahara Desert. So it does do that. I have it on underneath my makeup right now, and it moisturizes really well. I'm happy with it. It, let's see. It's a cream. And, let's put it on. See the cream? You rub it out. It's really smooth, silky. It's moist. You can feel it, and it sinks into your skin really well. But you do feel moisturized afterwards. It's a light, faint, almost like a peony scent. But I like it. I have enjoyed it. So that's with that. What's next? The Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. A weightless setting powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, mattifies, shines, and blurs skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder, creating just enough for a smooth, even layer with less mess. What is this? $39. I have a little bit of it on now, just here and right in here. And I got the shade 01, which is not what I put in for. I put in for 02, but whatever. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get it open. Where's the thing? Okay. All right, here it is. And then what you do with it is, let me see. I don't want to dump it. I'm nervous. Are you gonna work? So you twist it this way, and it gives you powder. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is really finely milled, but yeah. It didn't say anything fantastic. I used it. It didn't cake up or do anything crazy on my skin. I don't know. Do I look matte? And I put it here, just in this little area right here, and I put some here and here. But I mean, I don't know if I'm blurred. Like, I don't know. And right here I put some, because these are my fine lines. This is where I crease up. So I guess I'm not as creasy as I normally would be, but I'm also trying out a new foundation concealer right now. So it seems to work well with it. I am trying out the, so I'm trying out the NARS, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and Radiant Creamy Concealer. And before I bought it, I sent out to get a sample. Ooh, they're falling out. I don't want that to happen. Hold on a minute. Here you go, issue. Okay. Because I opened it. I used it. That's what it looks like inside. And I am, right here, the shade Stromboli in foundation. And for concealer, I did Ginger. I probably could have did here, but Oh, well, I still have room to... I just wanted to try it out before I, you know, spent the money on it. But I like it. Like, I heard mixed reviews, so I was kind of excited but hesitant at the same time to try it. And I really, really like it. I think I want to try it one more time, but so far I would purchase this. Okay, what's next? Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. Oh, I didn't even open that. I was fooling with my hourglass. All right. This 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder, arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. Accentuate your best features and bring out the best in you with this exclusive collection. $32. I haven't got to play with this sucker yet. Let's open it. I don't know. Do I have it in? Did I open this? Oh crap, I haven't even opened this yet. Hold on, let me get something to open it. Okay. I hate it all taped up. Let's see. Open. Alright, let's see. I didn't even open this sucker yet. I played with everything else but this. I completely forgot. Okay, so this is it. Ooh, look at the back. Oh, you can't see it. Crap. Alright. Love these things. So, this is what it looks like. I'm going to guess this is the kind of finishing powder, a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter. Ooh. The finishing powder is a little bit yellow. Let's see if I can do some swatches on it for you guys. Yeah, a little bit yellow. The bronzer. Okay, this would be more like, this is a light for me. I wonder if it's buildable. Let's see, let's do a couple layers. I mean, there's the bronzer. It's a little light for me, as you can see. The blush. The highlight looks pretty. I don't understand why they would have such a dark highlight with a light bronzer. Though the blush looks really pretty. And it is pretty. And then this highlight. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Let's see. Oh, that's blinding. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, so if you were a light skin tone, I think this would be a little dark on you. It's weird. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this whole thing. The bronzer. I guess I'd have to try it. I'll give it a try. Another video. But it feels nice, all of it. I'm not mad at it. Okay, what's next? What do we got? Oh, the cosmetics, which I have been fooling around with. Cosmetics skincare brush set. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly, oh my god, here we go, not being able to talk, effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or masks with the ultimate precision and no mess. $25. Let's check it out. Because I actually came with this brush. And I did use the brush for skincare, moisturizer, serums. It's nice. It's got a bumpy. I've been playing with it. See if it did foundation too. Which it does. It does pretty good. But yeah. I like it. It's soft. It's really soft. I like it a lot. And it worked. It worked. When I used it for my foundation, it sort of gave me a more natural finish, which I like. Here's the, what do they call this? Spatula. So it's flat here, and then when you flip it over, and I don't know if you guys can see the edges. Yeah, you probably can. But it's, I guess, exfoliates. And it seems like it would feel good. Like, it's not rough. Oh, yeah, this would be a nice massager if you did it lightly. Yeah, I could, okay, okay. All right, I see you. I don't know if I said, but that's $25 for that set. Next, oh, Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. I like Dose of Colors eyeshadows. I think I got the Baked Browns quad once in a boxycharm, and I have enjoyed the shit out of that. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra-dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact. $20. So this is it. It's cute, it's little. It's a single eyeshadow. Can you get it open? 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 These new packages are impossible to open. Oh, it's so cute. Block Party eyeshadow, and I Need Space. This is cute. All right, let's see. Oh, it does have a little mirror. And here's the shadow. It's dark. Let's swatch it. Is it blue? Is it black? I don't know. Ooh, that's one to swatch. Look, guys, that is pigmented as shit. Holy. Oh, it's creamy. Oh my goodness, it just glides. Ooh, let's do that again. You guys got to see how creamy that went across. Okay, are you ready? Ooh, and I am barely pressing. And look how much you still have on there. That's pretty. It's like the black, it's like a blue black, like a gray. I don't know, but it's really freaking pretty. Oh my God. Yeah, I would use that again. I had to give it a try. I don't really do dark, but hell, I would do it. I have my Natasha Denona on today. Hourglass with the NARS. I did use something from this box. I did try the Smashbox powder. I used this. This I got in my regular base box. I've been trying this out, like a serum, but it's more like a face oil type of serum type of deal, but it's not as oily as a face oil. It soaks in really nicely. I like this a lot. But I think if you do this and then this, it pairs really nicely, and then put a moisturizer over top of it, and you're pretty moisturized if you're dry like I am. So next, Real Her Lip Liner Duo, and I used these already. Line your lips with ease. This creamy formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and true red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. $25. And I have it on right now. I went in with the nude. I went with the nude all over. I lined, and then I went in with it all over. And then I just lined around with the red, kind of feathered it in, and then put a gloss on top. And that's how I did it. Come out. Oh, where's my lid is stuck in there. Okay, fine, be that way. This is what they look like on the ends. Okay, well, since this one is already open, we'll do a swatcheroo. That's the red. And that's the brown. Wonder if they have shade name. I don't think they do. No shade names. Where's my lid? Okay, so that's the lip liners. You can see that. And that brings our Boxy Premium up to $266. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything. I like it. My favorites would probably be these lip liners. They're creamy. They went on real easy, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's this. So you just roll it up and down, which I enjoy. Better than the wooden ones. And I've seen other videos where they got this in their box, and I wasn't sure about it. I was like, what the hell is this? But I like it a lot. I'm pleasantly surprised by this. So these two are my favorites. And I'm not mad at everything else. I just need to give it a shot. I need to try these. Well, I've tried the Smashbox. I don't know if I'm big on powders, though. I'm particular, but so far, so good. I want to try this out in a look. I want to try this. And yeah, I'm happy with everything. I like it all. I like it a lot. So far with this NARS stuff, it's wearing really well. The concealer is not creased. It looks good. I am freaking happy with all of this. And, like I said, I'm going to give this a couple more tries before I go out and buy one, just to see how it sits on me. But, so far I like it. And I will let you guys know in the comments how much I like it soon. So, that's it for now. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.